To use your Pluxee card for food orders. 1. Open your favorite food delivery app on your phone. 2. Add your food items from restaurants that accept online card payments. 3. Go to checkout and tap payment method. 4. Choose credit debit card as your payment option. 5. Take your Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo, and enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV. 6. Tap Pay Now to complete the transaction. The amount will be deducted from your Pluxee food balance. 7. If your card is a virtual Pluxee card, you can also add it to Google Pay or Apple Pay and pay seamlessly. 8. If the food app doesn't accept Pluxee directly, you can use your card to buy food vouchers or gift cards from Pluxee partner stores and use those for your order. 9. After payment, check the Pluxee app to confirm the transaction and remaining balance.